Hi, this is Allison with Slideform, and today we're going to demonstrate how to embed images, charts, and figures from Tableau into a PowerPoint report. This is especially useful when you need to generate different reports based on different filter values or settings in your Tableau dashboard and export those in a PowerPoint or even in multiple different PowerPoint reports. So here's how we jump in. This is my Tableau dashboard. And what I'm going to do is set up our integration with Slideform so that I can pull in this entire Tableau dashboard into my Slideform platform. Here's what it looks like after we've set up that data integration. Slideform goes out and captures each of the elements on that dashboard, all of the charts and tables, and also captures all of the data behind those elements so that we can have metrics displayed in our PowerPoint report as text. And I'll demonstrate that. So after we have set up the data integration, the second step then is to create a template for our PowerPoint report. And we open up that template just inside a PowerPoint itself. So let me show you my report template. This is a simple example, so it only has 2 slides. But in those slides, we indicate placeholders using curly braces so that anything inside these curly braces is going to be filled in by slide form. Now, in this case, I'm going to create a report that has a year and category. And these are filter values that we're going to be able to choose from and filter our Tableau data down to a specific year and a specific category in that year. Then all of the other placeholders that you see on this slide will be updated based on those filters. So I'm going to have a chart in the middle of the slide representing the sales and profit of each of those sales that I made in this year for this different category. I also have a placeholder for number, which is the total sales value, and the total profit for this year in category. Now to set this up in slide form, what we do is we go into the projects, we create a new project, and we simply upload our PowerPoint file here, or we can select that file from OneDrive if it's shared that way. Once we save this project, we're going to be able to see, and here I have it already saved, we see how to match up the data from our Tableau dashboard into that slide deck. So we do that under the Configure Data button. And we scroll down, and let me just show you how to set up the chart and the numeric values first. So to set up the profit value, which is just going to be displayed as a dollar value in text in the PowerPoint, we set up a currency, we set up the formatting, and then we set where that data comes from. So that data is going to come from my Tableau dashboard, from the worksheet customers, and from the data behind my sales and profit chart. Then once we have that, we select which value from that chart we're going to look at, that's the profit, and we filter it by the year and category we're interested in. Finally, I can apply a function so that we're going to sum up all the profit for that year and category and display that value in my PowerPoint slide. The same for the total sales value. And then for the chart that I'm pulling in from Tableau, it's really simple. We just select our Tableau dashboard, the worksheet, and the chart, and we can set an anchor position, and we set up our filters to filter by category and year. Now you'll notice that these are kind of special filters because they're using a placeholder itself as the value. So I'll show you how to set up those kinds of dynamic filters. So for the year, for example, we have a placeholder here in our template. We just say that we're going to fill that value with data from the Tableau dashboard, from the customer's worksheet, and we're going to use the year. So Slideform has automatically detected all the filters that are available in your Tableau dashboard, and it's making those available to you to choose from dynamically inside of Slideform when you run a report. So now that we've selected that text metric from the dashboard, we can just preview that and we'll see what all the values are that are available for us to select from. And this will be available to the user then, whether that's you or someone else on your team, to choose which year you want to filter before you run the report. So once you've set up your data source integration, your PowerPoint template, and then you've matched up those placeholders to the specific data you want to fill them with, the last thing you have to do then uh, is go ahead and generate the output. So I'm going to click Generate on my project, and you'll see that we do get to select which year we want to filter by. So I'll just go ahead and choose 2023. And then, of course, which category, which product category am I running this report for? I'll say furniture. And then we're going to create our output. So I can wait for a preview to appear here and take a look at the output, see if it looks good, and then I can send my final results to either a Google slide deck, PowerPoint, PDF, or just share it with the built-in slide share from SlideForm. But I'll choose PowerPoint here, and then we'll be able to see our PowerPoint output available down here at the bottom of the screen. So when I open up that PowerPoint, which I have already downloaded for convenience sake, here it is. This is our 2023 furniture sales report. So we have the chart filled in the center of the page, and this is only filtered to, of course, the furniture category 2023. And then we have our total sales and our profit values, which are pulled directly from that dashboard. So these are, of course, editable text. If you needed to change them or move them around on the screen, it's completely just a normal PowerPoint output. So I hope that you find this informative. Again, SlideForm is very flexible and has a lot of advanced capabilities like filtering or creating jobs in bulk, where you could create many different versions of this template just programmatically using SlideForm. And we also have the ability to schedule jobs. So if you needed to run your report monthly or weekly, that's not a problem. So if this is interesting to you, if you think you could save some time and a headache for your team, just get in touch with us at slideform.co. Thanks.